Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BA Boeing. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I offer an explanation video at that link. Well, another very impressive day here for Boeing, and the upwards movement continues, but there's also a couple of very interesting levels that I'll be personally watching going into Friday, and these are levels that a lot of other people that use charts, understand charts, are going to be watching. And I make that comment because when a lot of people are watching the same areas, wondering the same things, call it a self-fulfilling prophecy, call it whatever you want, it can produce some very worthwhile price movements. And the first level that myself and a whole lot of other people are going to be watching as far as supports are concerned is right here at the 180, let's just call it 75 mark. So let me change just to green real quick to represent support. But you can see several times today, when you factor in the open of that candle and then the low of that candle and then basically the low of that candle, whenever the price has gotten right around this level here at, actually I take that back, yeah, right around 180.75, 180.85, I mean you should call it 181. We're talking about $180 stock here. So I mean, whatever, this general vicinity right here though, a lot of people are going to be watching. And what's caught my eye is that there's definitely some selling pressure that has shown up. And the selling pressure can be seen via the fact that the price is putting in these lower highs. Now, don't get me wrong, just because there's lower highs does not mean that for sure guarantee the price is going to break down through that level. My core point here, it's at least it's at least a rational thought to have, to think that there could be a little bit of a deeper pullback coming. Now, pullback does not mean this thing's going down to 150, but even if this thing did pull back to, closing the movement, or excuse me, let me just use this line here, but to closing this gap down around here at 174, I mean, that would still be a very nice potential trade. So these are going to be the two main levels of support that I'm watching. And then as far as areas of resistance, the breakout point that everybody and their brother is going to be watching tomorrow on Friday is right up here at 186.50. So 186.50 was essentially that problem point all afternoon long. So again, if the price can work its way up there and get the breakthrough there, at that point, nothing's guaranteed, but it is valid to think that that could certainly create some more upside buying pressure. So these are going to be the main technical levels that I watch to see how this all closes out the week on Friday. But yeah, let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.